Welcome to this tutorial on how to see implied volatility in Thinkorswim. Implied volatility is an important concept in options trading, as it gives you insights into how much the market expects the underlying asset to move in the future. Today, we will walk through the steps to access and interpret implied volatility data within the Thinkorswim platform. To begin, launch Thinkorswim and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the Trade tab at the top of the screen. Here, you can enter the ticker symbol of the stock or option you are interested in. After entering the symbol, you will see the options chain displayed on the right side of the screen. This options chain lists various expiration dates and strike prices for options related to your selected asset. Next, to view implied volatility, look for the column labeled IV. This column represents the implied volatility percentage for each option. If you do not see the IV column, you can customize the options chain by clicking on the gear icon located in the upper right corner of the options chain. From there, select Customize and add the implied volatility column to your display. Once it is added, you can easily see the implied volatility for each option listed. Finally, it's important to understand what the numbers mean. A higher implied volatility indicates that the market expects the asset to make significant price movements, while lower implied volatility suggests the opposite. Monitoring these changes can help you make informed decisions in your options trading strategy. Feel free to explore other features in Thinkorswim, such as charts and analysis tools, to deepen your understanding of implied volatility and its implications. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!